Before time itself, the realms have existed. Born of curiosity, we opened the first gateway to our endless Feywilds. The Fey have long since aided men in harnessing that which we live and breathe. Magic. Tolerance was known until your grasp extended reach. Greed, in the face of power, saw your world caught in ruin. And out flowed the Pale, swallowing all in its path. Some fled its ever-spreading tongue, seeking refuge in Nightingale, only to be severed from assistance as the pathway between realms collapsed. But perhaps not all is lost. For Nightingale still stands, pushing forward towards progress and enlightenment, humanity's final beacon. Your path thither is winding and full of terror's nascent realm walker. Wilt thou succumb to Fey lands beyond thy wit? Or wilt thou endure, find the way homeward and rebuild anew?
Guys, Active Cannon 814 here. Back at it again with another video. Today we're playing something called Nightingale. I bought it this weekend. It was on sale. Steam was having a huge sale until 10 a.m. today on, God, this game is so fucking pretty. Look at that. Look at that sunrise. Okay. They're having a giant sale on all, what's it called? Survival games. And this just happened to be one of them. Is this armor? Okay, so with hide I can make that. With chitin I can make bone armor. Okay. Alright, anyways. Sorry, I got distracted. First order of business. Actually, you know what? As I go along, I'll do my shit and I'll describe it to you. Right now, we are on a realm. Basically, there are 3 different types of realms, or 4. Sorry, it's also a work in progress, so if it's kind of buggy, don't be upset. I bought the game knowing it's not a complete, full game. But it looked fun. Anyways, what our goal here is, I basically don't know. I didn't pay attention to the, my bad, I did not pay attention to the thing last night. I was just trying to get through it so you guys didn't have to watch me build a house and craft weapons and... Yeah, that's right. That one wolf ran off. He was like, oh, I can't take this. What's that? Pick up tier 1 essence. Whoa, yo, he came back! Alright, anyways. So far, from what I've seen... What the fuck? That was popping shots at me. I found him. Look at him trying to run away! Get back here! Oh, backstab! Oh, front stab! There he is. I see you. Alright. Anyways, I have no idea what the fuck those things are. Makes my food go up. Anyways, as I was saying, the way I got to where I'm at right now is V inventory. You get these things called realm cards, and you have to have two of them. You have to have a bypass card or a byway card, and then you have to have the realm card. And you put them in a machine, and you can go to like the desert realm, the swamp realm. I think those are the only 3 realms so far. Yeah, it's kind of hard to explain. It does a pretty good gist of it in the thing in the video that I added onto it, so you guys know what's going on. Right now it says upgrade my gear score, and I'm thinking they want me to upgrade my armor, but I have to get some hide and pelt. Alright, let's see here. Let you open. Alright, we'll head back to our house, and then I'm going to head to that mission that I started. Oh, and this is Wallace, by the way. I let the game just pick his name, because I was just going to name him my name, and I couldn't think of one. So yeah, this is Wallace. And I'm still doing Enshrouded and Ark. I think these are going to be the 3 games I'm going to play during the week. Is this game, Ark, and Enshrouded. Let's see. Leather. I think that's what I need to make leather armor, right? Oh, no. Can I make armor with that, or? I can't. Let's see if there's any more crafting stations I can make. Refinements. Chitinous hide. Refine tanning station. Alright. Alright, I don't know how to make armor yet, but that's for us to all find out and figure out. Alright, off to the mission. So we made it to the area. What's this? Are these traders? Oh, no shit. Hey, what's up, homies? Oh, this was chopping down trees! Yo, what's up? A survivor nearby needs your aid in completing a structure. Help him complete the structure for a reward. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna talk to these guys. Wilhelmina Sass. That's the lady I need to talk to. Ah, visitor. You're the only fine soul we've happened upon in this realm. And your appearance is most welcome. Surprise? Who might be you? Who might you be? Who might be you? I'm a refuge of the chemistry, new rounds, trying. Extraordinaire. Kind of cocky. Oh, of course. I should have seen it right away. A talented, well-traveled realm walker is just what I hope to find. Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to skip it. What's great stories, blah, blah, blah. Now, if you're in need of more material service, blah, blah. You mentioned the protection. They're quite short, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Recruiting survivors. By completing tasks for survivors, you will be able to recruit them to your party. Recruiting survivors can help you harvest resources, build structures, carry things, and fight off enemies. You may also elect to equip survivors with better equipment to better brave the dangers of the realms. You may enable storage containers for survivors by changing the permissions in each container. Okay. Of course, if no one's there, it's your liking. There's plenty of capable wanderers in the realm, like merchants by trade, willing to offer their own exchange. Okay. Have you heard any rumors lately? Never mind. Alright. Recruit a survivor. Is this... I think this person... Because this is how you build stuff. I think that lady's building stuff. What do you got for sale? Clothing hats. A hunter's hat. Augmentations. Oh, I need essence to buy that. Do I not have enough essence? No, I don't have any. Wait. Got 150. This is tier 1 though. Is that not like the tier you take? Oh, no. Oh my god. She needs like the highest of the highest tier to buy stuff from her. Screw you. I don't want your stuff. Oh, you take nickels and dimes? You do take nickels and dimes, yes. Oh. Bought an umbrella. These right here. When you go to different places, you put these in with your realm cards. Estate. Play this card to go directly to a specific player's ambience realm. Gift to other players. Allow them to visit your realm. Okay, that's for like PvP. I'm playing just the offline mode. Furniture lighting. Buy that. Let's buy all the lamps. Potions. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh. Wood bundle, bones, leather, fibers, sticks. Chitin. I do need chitin, but I don't have enough space. Let's see here. Extract that. Extract that. I don't know. Tier 1 bound straps. Okay. A glass bottle that could be used to collect water. Okay. Collect me a little bit of water. Let's see. Mule. A simple mule. I don't have enough essence to buy it. Throwing knives. Okay. Hammers. Climbing picks. I have a sling bow. I think that's it I'm going to buy from this guy. Man, Shoddy is over here cutting down trees. Alright. Let me go see if I can help this person. Hey. Indeed, let us begin. What am I supposed to do? Hey. Okay, journal. I'm gonna untrack that. I'm gonna track this. Alright, so what am I supposed to be doing basically? It just says recruit survivor. Is he on my map? Map. Okay. Well, can I talk to you again? Nope. Hey, I'm here to help that survivor. Can you tell me anything about it? What's this? Okay. Go on. Oh, so she's basically just telling me she's a traitor, and if I bring her essence... Okay, well... So what am I supposed to do? Just help build this? Because that lady's not building it. So I need rocks... A lot of plant fiber and rocks, sticks. What's this? I don't know about you guys, but I've been, well, probably not. I don't know why I said I don't know about you guys, but I've been playing PC for like the past week. On that Enshrouded game, and I'm telling you what, PC is actually getting kind of easy to maneuver around. Like, if I had a mouse pad, it'd be easier with my mouse, but I had like 2 of them, but when I moved, I threw them away because I didn't think I'd ever play my computer again. But here I am. I started YouTube, and I'm playing my computer. Up yours, lady. Alright, boom. Boom. Hey. Magic chest. Ooh. Okay, I did that. For hire. Oh! Alright. Sweet, I've got a companion now. What's up, Minnie? God, don't look so sad. I basically just bought you. Not really, I just helped him. I helped him out creating shit, or building stuff, and now I got her. It's my own. Sweet. Do you just not like to follow orders, or... Let's see. Attack allowed, mining allowed, harvesting allowed. Oh my god. What companions in any other game has ever been able to do this kind of crap? None. This is awesome. Alright, will you pick these up? Oh my god, she will pick these up. She's the GOAT. This is the best, like, companion game ever. Alright, let's see what else we need to do. If stumbled upon a truly enticing a gate bearing ancient ruins, then hum the gate calls. Perhaps I build up my strength and I can pass through the gate. Perhaps, but... Simple umbrella, simple sling bow. I need to figure out how to make better armor. Like, I haven't figured that out yet. Let's see. Cooking food, furniture, augmentations. See, I can get the cloth stuff from her. But I don't know where to get this good essence at. You got clothes? No, you just got tools. Well, that sucks. Hi guys, Acting Cannon here. The reason there's such a big jump in what I was doing in the video is because for about 40 minutes, I tried to figure out how to upgrade my gear level, which is, I guess, your armor and shit. And I just ran around trying to get rocks, buy shit, upgrade shit, but in the long run, I had to go and get, buy the blueprints to make better, like, forages, a sewing kit, and everything. So, there you go. Now you know why it took me forever, and it's such a cut, and I'm explaining why the game was bad, because I was bitching about how the game wasn't telling me how to do it, so there you go. Now you caught up to speed. Okay. I figured it out. I guess it's not the game. I was just a dumbass and didn't see it. When I was over there buying stuff from those people, I didn't realize I could buy stuff to make better, like, I made a simple mortar station, a saw, and a simple sewing station, and then I have a simple smelter right here, but it's not, like, doing any good for me right now, because it's not done. But now it's telling me to unlock the antiquarian card, which, if I had to guess, is way over here. Of course it is. I'm sorry, I just got back, and I wasn't, like, editing. I have to edit this part out, I'm sorry. I didn't know what to do, so. But, I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna go over there, and then once I'm over there, I'm gonna do a long rest. See what the antiquarian card does. At this area, it says I need to unlock the antiquarian card. How do I do that? Let's take a look-see. Does it have to do with this electrical gate? Like, was it because I'm not high enough level to go through it yet, or? Can I go through it now? Yes, okay, I can go through it. Alright, we in. It says release Echo Home. Ooh, a chest. Slight healing potion. Okay. I'll take that. Oh! My gosh, there's so many. Bro, help out! Woo! Ooh! Got it! Yeah, I'll take that bound up fiber. Come on. Well, enemies came from down here, so... Ooh, a chest. Blood Moon card. Play this card to increase the chance that enemies will drop rare items, but decrease your maximum health. Ooh. Okay. What we got up here? Nothing, nothing. I'm going down. Darn. I thought for sure there'd be a chest back there. Oh my god, I gotta go all the way down? Oh. Homie, help! Thank you for being attacked off. That's my fault. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have been yelling at you. What's wrong with me? Just the way he ran. Oh, God. Nope. Alright. Going down. Ooh! Oh, oh, oh! He threw something down. Oh! Oh! Parkour! Parkour! Ooh! Ooh! Upside the head. Okay. Tab. Consume. Ooh! That refills my whole health. Holy shit, yes. Let's see. An arcane wick. Essence. I'm just grabbing everything. Ooh. Gotcha. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Is that it? No, there's more! Ooh. Oh, that was popping shots at me! I got that one. Oh, tab. I need to repair my pickaxe. Or my axe. Wait, think you're going, huh? I'll read that later. An augmentation. Oh no, that's a charm. It can be added to my stuff to boost my stuff. Okay. That's cool. Alright, gotta go down another floor. Oh, is this a boss battle? It's like a boss battle. Oh wow, there's a lot of them. Homie, where you at? Where's my guy at? Oh my god! That's not fair! It's like 6 against 1. Where's my friend at? You punk! I helped you build your camp for no reason! Oh, I can hear him behind me swinging a sword. Get down here! What are you doing on that platform still? Oh, I can hear him swinging at me! Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, parkour! What'd you do? Did you go on the outside of the wall? Oh, fuck him. Who needs him? No, he's up there. What are you doing up there? Get down here. Okay, there's that one enemy. Fuck it. Oh no! 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 Woo! Alright, whatever. I'll take him on my own. I don't need no teammate. Oh shit. Never mind. He might be taking him on his own. Yeah! Get him! I helped! Did we kill him? Not helping me. Alright, come on. Oh, I did. I have a little broken foot down there. I broke my foot. Dude, they find him more of a threat than they do me. They just see me running away and like, oh, that guy's just a coward. We're gonna go first. Oh, bomb! Nice job piecing these guys up. Holy crap. Is this what I came down here to get? No, I've got to go lower down below. Are you kidding me? Alright, 8, or is it 9? I brought my health up. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay, it's raising my hunger. We're good, we're good. Alright, I'm going back down to Axe. You coming with, homie? Tab. Consume. Alright, we all healed up. I just can't run that fast. Oh, wow. Also, if you guys want to read these, go ahead and just click on them. I don't really want to read them. Activate mechanism. Oh no, this is the boss. Alright, homie, I hope you're prepared. I gotta shoot it. Or is it that thing? Oh, it's that thing! Run, homie! Ooh! Ooh! Oh, ow! What did I press? What did I press? Oh, get him! Get him, Minnie! Get him! Okay. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna heal up. Ooh! 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 Oh! We got him! Oh shit, homie's injured. Come on, get up! Get up! Release Hope Echo. Alright. Got an Antiquarium card. Alright, let's hear what Puck has to say to us.
Oh, well done, Realm Walker. Well done. Your deed befits the title, and the wider realms are within your reach.
Alright.
But you feel I've foxed you, betraying no foresight of the dangers held within these walls. Listen, for I come. Though I did smirk, watching from the shadows, I was heartened to espy that my gifts are not wasted on thee. Our partner assurances in hand. Press onward. Mark inky images upon paper, and so direct the flow of the interrealmic void. Might I suggest, for your first foray, a forest augmented by your new antiquarian knowledge? There are others like you, lost refugees, strangers to these fey wilds. Go then, with newly fashioned cards. Awaken yonder portal, and tread on toward that which is boundless beyond the measurable.
Craft a forest and an antiquarium card and traverse the portal. Okay. Well, how do I do that? Inventory, cards. Those are just realm cards. That's essence. Let me get out of here real quick and we'll figure that out. Yeah, we beat that boss. We got the crafter card and everything. I think I'm gonna do that next video. Give us a little bit more of a, more stuff to do. I hope you guys enjoyed Nightingale. If you want to, it's right now. It's usually like 26 bucks. It's kind of a fun game. Check this out. Check this out. Boom. Just scale freaking walls. If I had high enough stamina, I could. But, anyways, probably be back with some Enshrouded tomorrow, and then probably Ark, and then some more Nightingale. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.